Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent gradient in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, select the image, go for this image effect and gradient. Use the gradient drop down and select the transparent gradient. Double click on it, select the color. I'm going for red. Go for this scale. Now change the angle and from the drop down select radial. Check this box and uncheck this align with layer. Now you can play with this of x of y and check all these like this. Then click on OK and now create a layer mask. Select the gradient tool and choose a transparent gradient. From the drop down select linear. Then uncheck this reverse and now you can easily create this type of transparent gradient as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make transparent gradient in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.